All right, and welcome to the next day in the RDP Advent Calendar. Today we're looking at isometric dynamic pairings for the legs. Last time what we did was a bilateral or squat isometric with a unilateral dynamic. Today we're reversing it where we have an isometric unilateral exercise and a bilateral dynamic exercise. So here's how this is going to work. So we have here standard lunge technique, and I'm standing on a yoga strap that's attached at one end so it creates a loop. From there, get your hips forward as much as you can, and you sling the strap over one shoulder, kind of bandolier style, right? Or diagonal across. This is the most direct application of force against this working leg, because this is what we're working here. And then what we do is we want to make sure we're not leaning back. We don't want the hips way back over here because that forces the upper body to lean forward and put strain in the lower back. Instead, you want your knees shift forward as much as you can and your hips forward as well. This way I'm more upright. Bring your back knee off the floor and push directly against that strap. This leg is going to go absolutely nuts. It's not going to take a whole lot of force. Holding and then rest. Now you could alternate between the two, but I recommend, since it takes a bit of time to set up, just get one leg for the allotted amount of reps and sets, and then switch over and do the other leg. Then your bilateral exercise is the narrow squat. Feet are together, knees are together, getting your repetitions in a smooth fashion. Hands are out extended in front or closer to make it more difficult. Making sure to keep your hamstrings engaged so that way you don't fall backwards. The workout itself is a very simple format. You're going to have 3 sets on each leg, holding for a total of 20 seconds. It's really going to burn out your legs quite nicely. Then you have a total of 50 narrow leg squats, breaking it up in whatever rep and set format that you like. Please leave your thoughts, comments, questions down below. Check out these videos for more killer leg training videos as well. Thank you very much for watching. Be fit, live free.